Hello everyone, Sandeep Banerjee here. Welcome to my channel. Today we are going to talk about one useful feature available within Windows 10 using which you can remove background of any picture. The way I'm moving this fish now from this particular picture, you will be also able to do that, and you don't need to purchase any specific software for this particular purpose. This is available within Windows 10 only, and let's see how we can use this particular feature right now. If you wanted to see similar content in future, please consider subscribing to my channel. Now let's see how we can use this particular feature. You need to click on Start menu and then start typing Paint 3D. Once you type that, you will get that option, and here you can click. So this is one app which comes with Windows 10. Now if you don't have this app installed, it will redirect you to the Microsoft Store, and from there you can install it. It's absolutely free and it comes with Windows 10. You don't need to buy it separately. You only need to install it in case it's not already there in your system. So once you configure that, click on that Paint 3D app. It will open a new canvas, and this is an upgraded version of the Paint we used to use earlier, and this will be the first prompt you will be getting. So now in this welcome screen, if you click on open, you will be able to open a file from your system. So let me click on browse files and let me open this particular file which I earlier downloaded from pexels.com. If you are looking for free images, you can go there. It's not a sponsored video. However, I thought of mentioning it considering I use the service. So this particular photo is a free photo which you can also download by going to Pexels. So let me select this particular picture and click on open. Now we need to see that how we can remove background of this picture. If you follow my mouse now, we have a magic select tool, right? If I click on that, it will allow you to select the portion from where you wanted to remove the background. So let me drag it down and let me just cover the portion I wanted to work on. So this is the portion I wanted to remove the background. Now after that, you need to click on next. So if I click on next, now you can see it already selected the outline of that fish. You can see this particular bluish line here, and it already selected. However, there are certain portion it's not selected properly, like this particular portion of the tail. So if I just mark this area, it will now retain that portion. So let's see what happens. Yes, now it added that particular area. However, there are certain portions are still left. Let me show you that how you can retain a portion or you can remove a portion. So this particular option is there, add. If you click on that and then you just draw this line, it will add that particular area. You can see now this has been selected. I also need to do the same thing here also. If I do it like this, then it will also add that portion. Yeah. And now this particular picture looks fine. Only this area I may need to add. Yeah, this is perfect now. So now once you have selected that your picture and this outline looks perfect, then you need to click on done. Now before that, there is another option that autofill background. So once you will move this particular picture, you want to autofill the background or you wanted to keep it white. So that's the option. If you check on that, it will autofill that particular color based on the surrounding colors which are available in this particular photo. So let me continue with this particular selection so that you will be able to see that what happens. So if I click on done now this will do the trick. Yes, now this has been done. If you now drag this particular fish elsewhere, then you will be able to see that you are able to do it. So this is the way you can use this particular feature. This is very, very useful. So after removing the background, you can use this particular photo elsewhere also. So let me do that and let's see that how we can use it. If I just select this particular layer and press Ctrl C to copy it, and let me open one PowerPoint file, and if I paste it there, you will be able to see that what I am talking about, so that you will be able to use this particular feature in other applications also. So now this PowerPoint is open. Let me remove this thing. And if I click on paste, then you can see this particular photo came here and without any background. Now, if I wanted to use it other way, let me just click on insert and maybe and add some of the water photo underwater. So let's see what are the photos we can get it here. And yeah, I think this looks fine. If I select on that and click on insert, And once this is done, I send this particular photo backwards. Now you can see, and let me just quickly adjust this particular photo so that it will look better. Now you can see that this particular fish is now as a new home, right? So this is the way you can use it. So it's available within Windows 10 and you don't need to purchase it separately. This is one way of doing it. Now I wanted to show you another particular feature which is available within Microsoft PowerPoint. If you have a picture which is having a uniform background, which may be a single color, so we have one option available within PowerPoint using which we can remove background of those type of picture also. So let me just delete this particular picture from here. And if I insert a new picture from my download folder, and yeah, this is the one I have it. Yeah, you can see one fat person is thinking something, and that happens to be me. So if we have this type of picture, then how you remove this particular background? If you see, there is a gray background in this particular photo, which I wanted to remove. Now we have a very quick tool available within PowerPoint to remove this kind of background. So to do that, you need to select that particular photo for which you wanted to work on. And then you need to go to format. Then you will be able to see this icon color and there is a drop down. If you click on that, there are multiple options will come. You need to click on this set transparent color option. Once you click on that, what it will do, it will give you one option to pick a particular color which it will remove from your picture. And if I just click on this gray area, it will remove that. Yeah, now we can see this particular photo. Now there's no background, it's cleaned. And if you want this particular photo, you can go to format again and crop to as per your requirement. And if I just do it in this way, we remove that background completely. Now there is another option within PowerPoint using which you can remove complex background. For that, I already recorded a video earlier. You can check out that particular video which will come as a card in the end of this particular video, which will also help you to remove complex background using PowerPoint. So in this particular video, we talked about two different options. One which is available within Windows 10 and another one which is available within PowerPoint and using which you can remove background of any picture. Hope these two options were helpful and you will be able to utilize it in your day-to-day work. If you liked it, give it a thumbs up. Also subscribe to my channel in case you wanted to see similar content in future. Thank you for watching. Bye bye for now.